how to create interactive lessons using Smart Notebook 11. For those of you that are following along in your learner's workbook, pages 41 through 43 will walk you through the steps on creating this process. The three activities that I would like to demonstrate for you today are move and reveal, order and reveal, and erase and reveal. When we talk about move and reveal, it is just what it says, move and reveal the information. We can take an object from our taskbar and we can place it over what we don't want to be seen and reveal the information. Order and reveal is where we work in layers. We have our words, our response covered, and we have to take an object in order to reveal it. And what we have to do is also take and make the words the same color as the background in order for them to be revealed. And here you can see the Valley of the Kings. The last one is erase and reveal. This one is like magic to the kids because they like to see it magically appear with the eraser. And by taking our eraser from our tray, we can just erase the answer. And there you have it. The first one I'd like to demonstrate for you is move and reveal. And with move and reveal, we're going to try to find the answer to this question. In order to do that, we need to type a question. We need to type our response, so I'll use my keyboard. And I'm going to type the response to this question, and we're going to say third person. And so what we'll do is we'll take and move the answer here. And now I want to hide it so that my students do not see it. So what I do is I go up here and select an object from my taskbar. We're going to check the rectangle. And I'm going to take it and expand it out to make it the size that I want it. Use my fill with the paint bucket, choose a dark color, and fill that object. Go back to my selection tool. Now I can place that over the response. In order to reveal the answer, I just move it. And there you have move and reveal. The next one I'd like to demonstrate for you is erase to reveal. Erase and reveal is basically where I take and erase the words that I don't want them to see. In this particular assignment, we're using there, and there, the different forms of it. First thing I would do is select my pen. Then I need to change my color of my pen color to white to match my background. So I would click on white. Then I would take and choose the size of my pen. I need it to be a little thick so that I can cover more space. And so what I'll do is I will take my pen and just mark out what I don't want to be seen. Then put my pen down, pick up my eraser, and I will reveal the answer. And there you have erase and reveal. The last one I'd like to demonstrate for you is order and reveal. Well, I need to know the answer to this question. And the answer to this question would be first person point of view. So I'm going to use my keyboard again, and I'm going to type in first person. And then I'm going to move it here. Now, I want to put an object around it so there's a placeholder for it, or an object. So I'm going to go back to my tools bar, pick an object. We'll go with the rectangle again. But this time I want the lines to be a broken line. And I'm going to draw it around my answer. Now, going back, I need to go back to my tools, my selection tool. Go to my words. I need my words to blend in with the background. So in order for me to do that, I need to first turn the color of my words to white. First, I need to bring the order to the front so that I can get to it. And now I have it. So I want to change the wording to white. Click on my color palette again, my text color. Pick white. And now it's white. Now I choose another object from my tools bar. We'll take a rectangle, draw it, fill it with a color, a dark color preferably, so that when you reveal it, it will show up when you look at it. So now we will go back to the selection tool, take our response. We need to also make sure that our text is in the right order. And that's by moving it forward, because it needs to be the layer on top. Oh, still not working, so let's go back and move that one to the back. Send back. And there's my text, so it should be on the front. And we should, oh goodness. And there you have it, first person point of view. Now, the last thing we want, why would you want to hide information before talking about it? A lot of times what we do in classes, we want to allow for lead time. We want to allow time for discussion. So therefore, that will be a reason why we don't want to reveal information until we're ready. We also want to allow times for a thorough discussion, think time for the students, as well as we want to create an engaging activity for the students, because students would love to come up and erase something or move it or manipulate it, and therefore you have them interacting with the information that you are presenting to them. Thank you for allowing me to create 3 activities using Smart Notebook 11. Thank you.